Hi! Let's unbox it! It's Lamborghini Sian scale 1 to 18. This looks epic. Very unusual color. And these golden wheels look so crazy. '63 means the year when first Lamborghini was created. Let's see how it compares to a Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. Lamba looks futuristic, but AMG is a muscle beast. Let's see which car has more trunk space. Oh, Lamborghini has no trunk. Where should I put my cola? Oh, I have an idea. Two awesome cars scale 1 to 18. Which one would you choose?